Hello everyone, long time no speak. So today I'm going to be doing my second reaction. So let's get things ready. So before we get the video started, I just want to say thank you so much for 999 subscribers. It really means a lot to me.
Tu m'ignores, je me battrai encore et encore. C'est ta love story. C'est ta love story. C'est l'histoire d'une vie. Love story.
I just can't let you go. I'd let the world go, let the world go for you. This is how it always had to end. If I can't have you, then no one can.
I know I can't imagine life around here without her.
No, I hate you.
She's so sweet.
He loves my heart-shaped sunglasses. Loves the heart-shaped my head. Do you swear you'll stay forever, even if our faces don't stay together? Stay forever, even if our faces don't stay together. Stay forever, even if our faces don't stay together. I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. Wanna put it all behind me. But baby, I see her in the back of my mind all the time.
A boy would be the son of France, but you, Marie-Therese, shall be mine.
It's tactless, it's a test, it's just rest, it's just rest. It's tactless, it's a test, it's just rest, it's just rest.
It's just so hard to stay